Welcome to Wali Learning Squad. We play and learn. Hello kids, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to fly with the birds in the sky. So let's fly, fly, fly with the birds in the sky. Let's fly with them. Let's fly, fly, fly together. Let's fly, fly, fly together and discover some of the birds' names. So let's start. Let's fly with the parrot. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot. Pigeon. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Let's fly with the pigeon. Dove. Dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Macaw. Macaw. M-A-C-A-W. Macaw. Macaw. Cock. Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Hen. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Sparrow. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Sparrow. Owl. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl. Duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Flamingo. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Flamingo. Ostrich. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Penguin. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share my channel.